Hi. Welcome to our channel Indian Cyber Security Solutions. Today we will talk about the EFS. EFS is Amazon's Elastic File Systems. Now we start descriptions about the EFS. Now next move to how to create the EFS file system and how to integrate this file system to existing EC2 server. Okay. What is Elastic File System? Now Amazon's Elastic File Systems is provide scalable file storage systems for using the EC server. With Amazon's EFS, storage capacity is elastic, means is automatically increase their storage capacity when the user they need. Every applications need more storage, then they need it. Amazon's EFS has a simple web-based service interface that provide easily create and configure the file system quickly and easy way. The service manage the file storage infrastructure for you. Okay. Next, go to AWS console and how to procedure to create the EFS file system and how to integrate. Now move to the Amazon's dashboard. Here is type here is EFS, or you can find out the storage categories. Here is written here the EFS. EFS is Elastic File System. Now how to create the Elastic File System? The Elastic create the file systems, and here is automatically find out the default VPC ID, and you can find out your already created the security file. That's why we select here the security file. Okay. Now back to next step is configure optional settings. We don't need to anything change. That's why we skip it and next step and create the file system. Wait for 2 minutes. That's why the entire file system are creating. After how to attach this file system to integrate with existing server, and we need to use this file system using the EC2 server, and this file system it provide the auto scale interface, means automatically when you need to more space, automatically the capacity also increase. If you put your more data on your file system, that's why automatically increase your storage capacity. Now here is click here and successfully created. Now below status is creating. Okay. After it's available, we are mounting process we can do. Now we how to attach this file system to existing EC2 server. Here is the all the instructions is available. Click here, and here is mentions if you using the Amazon's Elastic EC2 instance. We are already created the Amazon's Linux EC2 instance. That's why we follow these steps. There is written here we want to install this package is the Amazon's EFS utils. Is EFS utils is the NFS package. Basically the EFS is backend service using the NFS, the network file system. That's why we need to install this package. Okay. Now we open and connect my EC2 server. This is my Windows CMD prompt, and here is written here my all the authentications, key file and the server address. Okay, enter here and we log in the cloud server. Okay, this is the Amazon's.com EC2 server, and Amazon's Linux is the operating system. Now we move to root login. Okay, we log into root account, and here is install this command. Okay, copy it and paste it. enter. Now this file package is installed and latest versions. Okay, now we create a directory such as EFS. So if you anything you can create the directory name. That's why it's not mandatory to you enter the EFS. Okay. Now create the name is /cd is mkdir EFS1. Okay. This is the directory name of my directory path is EFS1. This directory name. Okay. Enter here, and now let's go back to my server and please get the status is available or not. Okay, refresh it. Click here and available. It's mount target. It's available. That's why we need to mount this file system to from EC2 server. Okay, click here, and here is already written here how to mount. Is already written here. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Okay, copy and paste it. Now enter this command. Previously we show it how to show the mount point is df -h. So the all existing mount point is on your system. This is my at existing now file system already mounted on my server. So now we mounted to new EFS volume. So that's why we enter this command is, and my path name is EFS1. Okay, and enter. Now my the mount point is successfully, and how to show it is the df-h is the show the mount point. This mount point is also show 8e. Okay, this is the path of my EFS volumes, and this is the mounted on EFS1. Now cd to EFS1 and ls comment and create some file mkdir, create a directory mkdir shumon abc. Okay, now go back from ls, the list the file is abc is so written here. Okay, now back to this directory and unmount this file system mount unmount EFS1. Now cd EFS1 and ls comment. Now this file is not showing because of this file is creating on EFS storage. That's why the storage are not exist my server. That's all data are not showing my console. That's why again we mount the file system and back to directory, and again we mount the file system. Okay, enter and back to EFS1, and again this file is shown. Thank you watching for this video. Is totally about the new thing is the EFS file system is the most famous and very popular application services provided by AWS. Thank you for watching for